Prepare snow tomatoes for winter without boiling jars or baking. These tomatoes can be stored all year round without a fridge and look like festive snow globes. Place washed tomatoes in large jars gently to avoid bruising. Fill the jars with lukewarm boiled water, ensuring the water covers all the tomatoes. Cover and let them sit for 20 minutes. Peel a head of garlic and blend a handful of cloves into small pieces. Don't grind them too finely. Pour the water from the jars into a pot. Don't discard it as you'll need it. Add 100 milliliters of spirit vinegar, 100 grams of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of salt to the pot. Mix well and bring to a boil. Add 2 tablespoons of garlic to each jar of tomatoes. Then pour the boiling mixture from the pot into the jars, filling them to the top to cover the tomatoes. Seal the jars tightly and shake them to distribute the garlic evenly. The effect is mesmerizing, like a snow globe, which is why my family calls them snow tomatoes. As the jars cool, they will self-preserve and can be stored for 12 months without refrigeration. I use these tomatoes for soups and sauces. They're a healthy alternative to canned tomatoes. Do you make tomato preserves for winter? What do you think of this recipe?